In this video, I will be showing you how to use the pivot points in MSI AFL. So let's first watch a short video from Investopedia on how to use the pivot points.
A pivot point is a technical indicator that is derived by calculating the numerical average of a financial asset's high, low, and closing prices. A pivot point helps traders predict a security's short-term movement and is seen as a turning point that can signal a minor or major change in direction. The most common method for calculating a pivot point is the 5-point system. It takes the previous day's high, low, and close, as well as 2 support levels and 2 resistance levels. These numbers are plugged into the following series of equations to find a pivot point. A variation of this method incorporates opening price using the following formula. Day traders use pivot points as leading indicators to help them assess overall market trends and choose entry and exit points for their positions. These points are especially useful in identifying stop-loss levels and profit targets. Pivot points also help traders identify whether the market is bullish or bearish. When used in conjunction with other technical analysis tools, pivot points can help day traders increase their odds of executing profitable trades. Pivot points can be calculated on a weekly basis for use by swing traders or on a monthly basis for position traders to estimate upcoming support and resistance levels. However, because pivot points are a predictive tool, the potential movements they indicate don't always turn out to be correct.
Okay, so applying the learnings that have been discussed in that video with the MSI AFL, what you have to do is to switch on the pivot lines first in your parameters. Okay, so you open your parameters and you click on the pivot here. So when you switch it on, you will notice that there are 2 red lines, a white line in the middle, and 2 green lines at the bottom of the candlestick. Okay, the numbers or the values of these lines are also mentioned here. Okay, so that's your R2 and R1 will be your 2 red lines above, and your pivot will be the white line, and S1 and S2 will be your 2 green lines at the bottom. So in order to see that clearly, you can switch off the candlesticks plot. Okay, so for you to be able to analyze the stocks clearly, you can also add on some lines. Okay, so we'll add one here, pivot here, another one here, and the last one will be at the bottom. Okay, and then we will switch on the candlesticks. Okay, so based on this analysis of the pivot, the basic thing about the pivot is anything below the pivot itself, which is 294 in this stock, will be a good buy area. Okay, so you will be buying at this area and selling will be above the pivot point of 294 at this area. So you can also add the values of each line by double clicking on the line and click show value on the right, then click OK. As you see, the values here appeared. You can do that with the rest of the lines also, so that it will be easier for you to read the values and you can plan your entry and exit.